Hey everyone, welcome to 0x Hack. I am Muskan. I lead developer relations at Polygon. So I'm here to announce Polygon bounties. So those who have not heard about Polygon, so basically Polygon is a well-structured, easy to use scaling a platform. So we have been around since 2017, and we started our journey with like POS Plasma Hybrid Architect, and since then like have seen a good amount of adoption on these chains. So moving forward, we realize that there have been like a lot of scaling solutions coming along, but there's no one size fits all kind of solution. So we came up with the idea of a Polygon. Basically, Polygon is a layer 2 aggregator. So be it like ZK rollups, optimistic rollups, or any other like standalone custom chain. So you will be able to find everything on one platform. And right now the like production ready chains are like POS and Plasma chains, and like these chains have good number of adoption. There are, I think, like more than 300 amount of the under like there are more than 300 dApps which are deployed on a Polygon POS chain. And like it's a basically POS chain is a commit chain to Ethereum. And like we usually say internally that if you are a like Ethereum developer, you're already a Polygon developer, because all the tools and functionalities which are compatible with Ethereum, they are with like Polygon too. So it's like if you want to deploy your contracts in Polygon, you just need to change your RPC and you are done. You don't need to do anything else to deploy your contracts on Polygon POS chain. It's really simple to do that. So yeah, that's all about Polygon, I would say. And so about bounties. So we have a wide range of bounties for 0x Hack, because we don't want to restrict hackers to like work on particular things only. So we'll be awarding a total of 10,000 USDT to hackers who build their hacks on Polygon. And we have divided this amount into 5 categories. So first is OpenTrack. So like whatever you want to experiment with Polygon, whatever you want to build, just do it, because we are quite open to it. And the best dApp which will take advantage of Polygon scalability and like user interface, we'll be awarding that dApp. Next is best Polygon related tooling. So like first, like here are some of the ideas we would like hackers to work upon. First is Polygon POS bridge analytics. Basically, POS bridge is a bridge from Ethereum to Polygon. So basically a visual dashboard which can capture following information like flow of tokens from Ethereum to Polygon, and then and vice versa from Polygon to Ethereum. And next is like gas used analytics dashboard. Basically a dashboard which can compare gas used on Ethereum and on a Polygon for a particular dApp. Like you can like compare amount of transactions on QuickSwap and Uniswap, and gas used for these transactions. Next is a yield farm analytics dashboard. Basically a web dashboard that can capture information like TVL staked, and then like emissions of reward token per day and per week, and then LP tokens composition, like all these details which are listed here. And next is a dashboard which can capture information for for Connext bridge, which is a bridge between Ethereum to BSC, and then Ethereum to XDAI, and then Matic to XDAI. So basically a dashboard which can gather information like influx of various tokens from different chain peers, from Matic to XDAI, from Matic to BSC, and vice versa. So that kind of a visual dashboard. Apart from that, like next category is implementation of DeFi, building block protocols on Polygon. So this is about a fork of multiple like DeFi protocols on Polygon, like Balancer, Maker, Opine, Ampleforth, and couple of like more of them enlisted here. And next is explainer videos. So basically, if you're not a developer, but you have a good knowledge of tech and you are a good content creator, so this bounty is for you. So basically, best explainer videos for Polygon community, like videos on how to set up environment for development on Polygon, how to deploy on Polygon using Truffle, and then how to use network agnostic cashless transactions in Polygon. So all these kind of videos, like all the topics are listed here, which you can work upon. And the last category is best NFT related dApp or tooling. So some of the ideas here is that first is like one-click marketplace setup using Arzora, and then NFT bridge, which you can use to mint NFT on layer 2, and then how to move your NFT from layer 2 to layer 1, basically a bridge to do that. So yeah, here are some of the ideas in like best NFT related dApp or tooling. So yeah, that's all about bounties. If you have any kind of queries, like feel free to reach out to me on Discord. We'll be happy to support you guys. So I'm really excited to see like what hackers will build during the 0x hack, and like would love to interact with every one and like see how we can like help you in your adventures. So yeah, thanks guys. Thanks a lot.